Are you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait a second.
All right, I can take a
But I don't see, if it's a video, I feel like an ass just with my head buried into the book. I feel like I should throw the book away and just talk to you. Oh my God, really? Where's the store? It's a family store. I don't need a family though. I just want to get something to drink. Should have got me filmed out there walking next to the damn train, man. Do I have to buy a family in order to get something to drink?
I got it rolling, so let's just throw some shit at the wall and see what sticks. I would like one family, please.
But sometimes the shit is still really nice. Sometimes, you know, it slide down.
Pointing fingers.
Yeah, if we get to the singing and we're still here.
Names. Everybody's feeling someone's pain. Come on. Sorry. Let's do a video shoot. We saw you coming. No rusty insulation can. Yep. Sorry. Yep, all good.
You gotta get on your own.
We're going to try to throw the kind of shit that stick, man.
Oh, that's so ridiculous. How you doing, folks? You guys next?
Now the choice is yours, what to do. Hate or be loved, I still want
Actually, this is comfortable now. Stuff like that.
The making of this video is brought to you by Garden. What was they say?
Good beer game.
Good beer game, yeah, right, that's good. We're driving a big truck. You have 10 feet of wire tied up your partner. So I don't care, man. You know, I think Justin Taylor's an asshole.
You know what the game called? Time up.
Time up. And Justin knows it, you know. He knows he's a douche now. Hey, I got a game I want to play with you, boy. It's called Time Motherfucker. And I'm going to do the time. So guess what you're going to do?
Hey, what the funk?
I met the cat and haven't seen him probably in 5 years. But yeah.
He was the cat, man.
Then came Peter to him and said, Lord.
Screwed it up again, man. About shit.
Then came Peter to him and said,
Cheryl on the chimney. This has been another episode of Cheryl on the Chimney with your host, Jacob Graff.
till 7 times? Perfect, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Ladies and gentlemen, Justin Taylor. Ladies and gentlemen, there he is.
Oh, you're still? Oh, I didn't know you stopped.
Well, they have all kinds, apparently. Otherwise, it wouldn't be a family store. Right? Just walked out, man. Yo, this is what's up. I walked out. I'm out.
Cool, man. Start it over.